Yorubon ninyo sa'yo. Guys, so natapos na natin ang vocabulary ng book 1. Ito naman ang mga vocabulary ng book 2 na sinusort out ko at minimorize ko nung ako'y nag-exam. So tulad ng book 1, lahat din ng mga vocabulary ng book 2 ay nandito na lahat. So memorize 10 to 20 vocabs every day. Kago chicho, furniture manufacturing. Kagupchuk palle, as soon as possible. Kamani itta, to stand still. Kaburada, to receive pay in advance. Kaso, singer. Kaso nutsulsago, kaslik. Kaso yun chupke, gas powered welder. Gasuga sita, to have kaslik. Gasuga chada, to have an acid stomach. Kasui tsungtun twita, to be gas. Kahitcha, perpetrator. Kakchong, all sorts of. Kandanhada, simple. Kalda, to grind. Kalda, to replace. Kaldong hikol pangpok, how to resolve conflicts. Karashinda, to change shoes. Kalke, rake. Kamja, potato. Kamjunsago, electric shock. Kamjuntwida, to get an electric shock. Kangyuhada, to force. Kangji chulgugul tanghada, to be deported. Kibaldusango, developing country. Kisunada, to improve. Kinsajong, personal circumstances. Kingsinol kusurada, to refuse to renew a contract. Kingsinada, to renew. Kimpom jagob, confirm. Kududa suwakada, to reap, to harvest. Kuricho, client. Sugyong, swimming goggles. Suguada, to make an effort. Sudang, extra pay. Sudang ulbatda, to receive bonuses. Susuryo, processing phase. Susupkigan, period of probation. Soisa, veterinarian. Suipom, imports. Suipada, to import. Suzungpumpo, submersible pump. Sutsurpom, exports. Sutsurada, to exports. Suchisim, a sense of humiliations. Supyungte, spirit level. Sohomnyo, tuition. Sohompyo, test identification slip. Suwakada, to harvest. Suksik, room and board. Surulbatta, to be offered alcohol. Sumatupon, smartphone. Susunginal, teacher's day. Switchirul kuda, to turn off the switch. Switchirul kuda, to turn on the switch. Sokidurutto, skid stir loader. Soturut chingolhada, to stretch. Sotiropom sangza, styrofoam cooler. Supino, range. Supdo, humidity. Supada, to be humid. Sikop, hourly wage. Sikurupta, to be noisy.